ohne zu, without doing something. Ohne zu is basically a vocabulary problem, but let's take a look at a couple of examples because it's so beautiful and I would like to introduce you to it personally. Ohne mit der Wimper zu zucken hat sie den Mann getötet. Without as much as the beat of an eyelash, meaning without hesitating, she killed the man. And you see, zu zucken is the infinitive in German. Second example, ohne nachzudenken, one word, hat das Auto gekauft. Without thinking about it, reflecting upon it, he has bought the car. And you see here the zu squeezes between the nach and the denken, because it's separable. Ich denke viel nach. So in a normal sentence, denken and nach would be separated. And let's take a look at inseparable verbs. Ohne irgendjemanden zu begrüßen, kam sie in den Raum. Without greeting anyone, she entered the room. Zu begrüßen, be is not separable, so it's an inseparable verb. And you see that zu is as expected in front of that verb. This is it. You will find a couple of more examples or transformation exercises in the course. Enjoy this topic, it's beautiful. And weiterhin viel Vergnügen mit deinem Deutsch.